Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send money through Flywire. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, you're going to head over to pay.flywire.com and it is going to bring you to a page like this. Now you're going to choose if it's pair or businesses. I'm going to do pairs for this particular tutorial. And then let's say the institution is International Business University and we're going to click on continue. So now the payment will come from, so you have to choose what country you're from, let's say Finland, and then the amount that they will receive, let's say 500, and then you're going to agree to all of the terms and then click on next. After that, it's going to ask how you want the money to be paid. So it's a domestic bank transfer and you require your passport. You can also choose I want to pay in another currency, which would be USD. So select whichever one you want. I'm go with domestic one for now. And then you're going to put in your student identity, all of this in here, and then you're going to verify the identity. You're going to select the pair, confirm your details, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.